Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are going to be mixing our own chicken scratch. Hubby and I went to the store and we bought a bunch of different seeds to go ahead and mix for our chickens. So drop down in the comments, let me know what you feed your chickens for scratch and what is your favorite treat to feed your chickens. I'm not sure why, but my apple tree is starting to bloom. Shouldn't be doing that. It's got a bunch of blooms starting on it, and it's just about to start freezing. In the matter of a couple weeks, we'll probably get our first freeze. That's not good. Alright friends, we're gonna head inside. Morning chores are done, get some breakfast in us, and then we are gonna go ahead and make some scratch grain. Alright friends, so we are going to go ahead and start mixing our own scratch feed. We have paid attention to what our chickens like. We've gotten 2 different kinds of scratch grain in the past, and we've learned what they particularly like out of that scratch grain. And this is just a treat for them to have to help encourage them to scratch in certain areas that I know that there's a lot of bugs. This is not part of their daily feed. They get their layer feed on a daily basis, and this is just an add-in, just for extra protein and extra nutrients and stuff, as long as a little special treat for them. So we're gonna go ahead and start mixing our own feed. What we got here is 50 pounds of barley, and I've got my big wheelbarrow right here, and we're gonna go ahead and put everything into the wheelbarrow, mix it up nice and good, and then we'll go ahead and transfer it into our trash cans that we keep all of our feed in. So first thing in is our barley. Next I got some whole oats. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mix this one up first. Now I've got some cracked corn that we're going to go ahead and add as a filler. Hi, Tina. Alright, so I've run out of space in my wheelbarrow, so I'm going to go ahead and start loading this into the trash cans that we have over here. I'm going to finish mixing some of the corn with the black oil sunflower seeds. We're going to mix it inside the trash can, and then we'll go ahead and start adding the rest of the stuff that I mixed.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No.
Alright, there we go. We've got 3 trash cans full of 300 pounds of feed. That was 3 corns, 1 whole wheat, 1 barley, and the black sunflower seeds. So all 6 of those bags went into their 300 pounds. So this should last us quite a while, and the reason we're doing this is definitely for winter coming. We get a lot of snow around here, so there's not many bugs for the chickens to go and eat, so we substitute with a lot of the scratch grain. We buy them some worms from the store, as well as they have their layer feed, because they're not going to be out here foraging through the snow for bugs and other stuff. So this is going to last them hopefully for at least till December, and then we'll have to make another batch. Alright friends, so we're going to go ahead and head inside, and I'm going to get all that pricing for you to tell you exactly what we paid for those 6 bags of scratch grain compared to what we paid for the other bags of scratch grain, and see if it kind of helps us out or if we're just doing this because we love our chickens. Alright friends, so I went ahead and did all the calculations, and what I found is that we do pay a little bit more to make our own scratch grain. It costed us $93 for the 6 bags of scratch grain to create 300 pounds of scratch. Versus what I can buy already pre-made, it came out to $78 for 6 bags of already pre-made scratch grain. So the difference is we use the black sunflower seeds versus these ones. There are some black sunflower seeds in here, but not quite as much as we have. And we have barley in ours, which this does not have barley in it. So that is the difference that I found between our scratch grain and the scratch grain that we previously would buy. Both are very good. It's just our chickens do like more of the black sunflower seeds and the barley than they do just this. So I guess we love our chickens. We are spending a little bit more to make our own scratch grain. Plus I know what exactly goes into it, and I know how fresh it is versus I don't know how long this has been sitting in bags. I know how long this has been sitting because we make it ourselves. So each to their own. If you want to make your own, I would definitely just check and see what your chickens like, throw different seeds out there, and go for what they prefer versus what they leave behind. Make sure you don't add that to your scratch, because what's the point if they're not going to eat it? Don't buy it. Only buy stuff that you know your chickens are going to like. Alright friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead today. I hope you enjoyed this video of us making our own scratch grain for our chickens. Until next time friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.
God, that's good for the chickens, man.
It's just the barley, the black
That's good stuff.
sunflower seeds.
You gotta add it up, huh? See what it came out to?